guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow, come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. Today I am super excited because about a week ago I ordered from Apple a new MacBook Pro, and right now Apple is having that deal where you buy a MacBook Pro, they give you free AirPods. So that is exactly what I ordered, and the AirPods came within 3 days. It was so fast. I think the MacBook video will be probably coming out first and then this video, so the MacBook Pro video is probably out now. Here are the AirPods, and I'm just gonna unbox them because this is just the deal right now. Like, if you get a MacBook Pro or if you buy a MacBook, you get free AirPods because it's like Apple's like college, me holding scissors, it's like Apple's like college program right now. So I mean, these are the AirPods I got. They aren't doing them AirPods Pros, they're the regular AirPods, but hey, I don't have AirPods, so let's go off. It's literally been sitting here for so long and I've been waiting to film this video because I've been lazy. Hi. I'm really excited. I've never had AirPods, so this is exciting. I have done like unboxings, but like I've never really had my own. So this is how they come. Are they stuck to the box? Oh my god, they are. So it doesn't get shaken up amidst travel. But wow, that is very annoying for me and my fake nails. Okay. It was wrapped in saran wrap. Now it'll come out. Oh my god, that was so difficult. Let me give you that bit of ASMR. In a nice sturdy box. Nice sturdy box. Okay, cool. Designed by Apple. Okay, and then here these babies are. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And then underneath is the wire to charge. So originally they're like $135 right now, and with buying any laptop right now you get it for free. So this is so cool. These are the ones you get for free, which I mean, yeah, they're the regular AirPods. Oh, okay, you get a nice little charger. It's the same charger that you charge your phone with, so you get an extra charger. I actually was never, like, I never really wanted to buy AirPods because I'm not a big fan of like feeling stressed that they're gonna fall out any second. But again, I was meaning to buy a new laptop anyways, and then the deal came that it was like free, so I was like, you know what, in this case, like obviously, yeah, I'll just get it. So cute, so cute. They're definitely, like, as someone who has a lot of dupes of AirPods, I definitely really do see the quality difference with a lot of dupes and real AirPods. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like I have a lot of the dupes, and don't get me wrong, the dupes are great, but there is a quality difference for sure. And then the button is back here, as you could see, and my little AirPods right here. I guess they do fit snug. They're not as concerning as I thought they would be. These are actually pretty sturdy, I'm not gonna lie. I always assumed that they wouldn't really be, I don't know why. If I like hold this down, will it connect? Have Siri read out a message. Wait, look, there, it says something here. It says, have Siri read out messages without having to unlock your iPhone. Not now. What? Why did that come up? I think you have to hold down this button, right, to connect. Oh, they're connected. Oh my god, I didn't even notice. They didn't even come up as other devices. They just immediately came up as Jennifer's AirPods. Like, they just immediately came up as that. That is kind of wild. Okay. So let's go on Spotify. Hey, listening to Mayday Pray. Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, the quality is very good. As you guys know, as you would probably know, I just didn't know because I don't keep track with all the tech stuff. So that's insane. It like immediately connected, like, and it already knew my name. That's wild. There's obviously a big quality difference with AirPods and dupes, I will say that. I mean, dupes are pretty good, but like, there's a quality difference if you want to feel bougie. then yeah. I mean, I would recommend taking up this deal right now. I know there's a new laptop coming out in September, but if you're not bougie and don't have like all the money in the world, I recommend doing this and saving some money on AirPods. They're pretty cool. They're pretty cool. I'm pretty cool. They kind of actually do feel sturdy. Like, I'm actually not that concerned, which is wild because I thought I would be very concerned. I am getting from this amazing company AirPod cases, so that will be the transition to that because they're sending me the AirPod cases a bit later, so fast forward in life. Hello, this is me from a couple weeks later when I finally got the AirPod cases from Acel. I am so freaking excited. Acel is a really adorable company that does AirPod cases. So here's my little babes. Acel does monogrammed AirPod cases. The Acel package came just like this, and then it came with 3 little bags. They sent me 3 of their colors. I'm so excited to look at these. Thank you from Acel on them, these little packages. And you will soon see that this company is literally me and my colors. Oh my god, I'm so excited for these little AirPod cases. This one, just, oh my god, how fancy. How fancy does this look? This looks so classy. So this one's like super New York City. So they unbuckle on the sides and they unbuckle right up here. And it's like felt inside to not damage your little AirPods. This is just so New York City, like the tassels and everything. And of course you could attach them to your keys, which I absolutely love. And I absolutely love the gold. And look at the back. There's JG on it, which is my last name, Gelman. So they're monogrammed and they're beautiful. JG, my last name, Jennifer Gelman. My full name is Jennifer-Biana Gelman, but JG, so pretty. The gold and the black, this is everything. You just put them in here, close it, and look at that. This is so cute. This is everything I needed in my life and more. Oh my god. Matches my vibe right now, actually, a lot. This cute little pink. Guys, this cute little pink with the gold and the tassels. Oh my god, this is just so girly, so New York City. Oh, and also on the bottom of the cases, you could charge your AirPods just through the case, which is beautiful. And then right in the back, it also says JG. Just like, this is so me. Absolutely gorgeous. This one is so cute too. Oh my god. And they all like, they're just so convenient too, like the buckling here, little charging port right here. It is just, oh my god, so cute. This is a really classy New York City woman. I love her. And monogram is optional, but it is complimentary. And my favorite thing about these is this is vegan leather. Vegan leather, like, and we're not doing any damage to animals while looking so cute. Like, I love it. I love it. Easily get your little pods, your little babes. Okay, let's move on to the last one that they sent me. Oh, this one is so classy. Oh my god. Like, I love all these colors. Like, I actually can't choose which one I like more because these 3 are my personality. These are like, these literally match my nails. Like, this is like, I love this company. We are the same aesthetic. And then this one, I put JB on the back. I wanted to have one with JB. So cute. So yeah, let me get my keys to show you guys how these will look. So these are my keys. I have this like Victoria's Secret strap on there, and I have this little Victoria's Secret thing. So I feel like this pink one would obviously make sense to go with my keys because it fits the theme very well, or maybe black because I really do like the black one. I think the black one is my vibe currently. Okay, these make sense. This makes sense, and it is so cute. Oh my god, with this strap with my little AirPods. I love it. And it just, now I can always have my AirPods like on my keys, so I don't have to worry about putting them in. And I could charge them through the case, which is so convenient, so I don't ever have to really take the case off, you know what I mean? So now I don't ever have to think about like forgetting your AirPods, for example. They're just always on your keys. So thank you, Acel, so much for sending me these 3. If you want them, check them out. The link is down below. They're vegan and cruelty-free and just literally beautiful. So check them out below, and thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you soon.